Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Cudy AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Cudy AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender is a dual-band Wi-Fi booster designed to extend your existing network coverage using mesh technology. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the Cudy Extender box. Inside the Cudy AC1200 Extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender unit, a quick setup guide, and a warranty card, everything you need to get started right away. The package may also include a short Ethernet cable for optional wired connection. Now plug the Cudy AC1200 extender into a wall socket near your router. Switch it on. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. Do not move the extender until setup is completed. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer. Look for the extender's default network name such as Cudy_extender or Cudy repeater. Tap Connect. No password required in most cases. Make sure mobile data is turned off if using a smartphone. This connection allows your device to communicate with the extender for setup. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type cudy.net or 192.168.10.1 and press enter. You'll be directed to the Cudy RE3000 login page. Enter the default login credentials, username is admin or password is admin. Click login to access the settings. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, if available. Enter your Wi-Fi password for each selected network. The extender will create extended networks using your main Wi-Fi name with a suffix like your Wi-Fi_EXT_2.4G or your Wi-Fi_EXT_5G. If you want, you can rename the extended networks or keep the default names. Click Save Apply. The extender will reboot. This may take a couple of minutes. Once the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the weak signal area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.